Hi friends! There is one more book that I want to read to you for this week's Earth Week and talking about throwing our trash away and recycling, and it is called 10 Things I Can Do to Help My World. Alright? Let's see. I remember to turn off the light when I leave the room. I try to turn off the tap when I brush my teeth. I always throw away my trash. I will feed the birds in the winter. I use both sides of the paper. I remind my parents to unplug the TV when we are not watching it. I enjoy making toys from things around the house. Look, what did they make? Yeah, it's a robot. Whoa. I bet you guys can make a robot with things around your house. I like to walk to school. I can plant seeds and help them grow. I help sort the recycling. Look, there's cans, glass, compost, paper, plastic. All because I love my world. There it is. Do you guys remember the other word for this? This is where we live. It was one of our words for the week. Starts with an E. Earth. This is Earth. Earth. All right, friends. I hope you liked that book, and I hope that maybe you can start practicing with your mommies and daddies and brothers and sisters and whoever else is at your house. Okay? All righty. Bye.